Okay, y'all boys, this is my second video as a 300 boy. As y'all can see, this is the V. Hey, okay. But I'm not gonna lie, this bitch hasn't even made it through one video. It didn't make it through the first video, but hopefully it make it through the second video. You know what I'm saying? We about to change the radiator hose on. I told y'all last video, if y'all watched it, that the radiator hose had cracked. All right, so here we got a new one. It didn't come with no clamps though. Let me know, did I fuck up? Was I supposed to buy clamps too? I don't know. I was thinking like maybe just the hose, and they already got clamps on that bitch. So what's next is I'm about to start the car, and then I'm just gonna move it to this part of the driveway. That bitch haven't been started up in like maybe like a week and a half, because I be going to work and then I just be like, bro, every time I look at that bitch, I'll be like, fuck it, bro. This bitch haven't made it through one video, bro. So hopefully today it make it through a video, but yeah, I'm gonna start the car and I'm gonna put it back there and I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm like underneath it and shit. All right, y'all. So the first step, oh y'all see we got the car jacked up. I ain't recording none of that shit, my bad. But the first step, what you gonna have to do, I was thinking I had to take off my intake, cause I was gonna go from the top, but real shit, like looking at it now, I think I'm gonna just go from the bottom, just go underneath the car and do it, cause I thought the clamp was gonna be screwed upright, but that motherfucker's literally screwed it on upside down. I don't know how the nigga did that, but this is the hose in question, you know what I'm saying? This is the side of it that goes into the radiator, but it come all the way down here, then it wrap all the way around and comes right here. I don't know if y'all can see with my hand, but it's this hose right here that I'm pointing to. So right now what I'm about to have to do is get under the car. So boom, is this clamp right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take this one off, and then I'm gonna try to see if I can reach this other one back here. That bitch in a weird spot. I don't know if y'all can see it. If not, I'm recording from that thing. Y'all see me? I'm gonna pick y'all up after I do all that shit. Okay, as I was screwing it, again, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is dripping. I forgot to mention you're gonna need something to catch the coolant. Jokes on these niggas though, I barely got coolant in this bitch because it already, you know what I'm saying, busted over there. But yeah, you is probably gonna need something to catch your coolant though. All right, so as y'all can see, this is my shit looking like right now. Probably hella coolant in my radiator though. That's why I just thought about. Well, shit. I'll let this hoe fill up, and I'm gonna pick y'all nigga back up. Oh wait, it might be done dripping. Damn, that shit splashing on nigga face. I think it's done for the most part. That shit got in my eye a little bit. Oh! That shit just got in my eye, bruh. And now I'm gonna be seeing at 212 degrees, but it's all good, buddy. All right, so yeah, after you do that though, like I said, the new ones didn't come with clamps, so a nigga like me, I'm gonna take my old one. Yeah, set this to the side. No trolling shit, I dead ass do got coolant in my eye, like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. But y'all see we got one side of the hose off. It took about 5 minutes. Try to do the other side. I had to, as y'all could tell, I had the jack on this side. So I low-key probably should have started with this part first, but I'm not gonna lie, this shit was easier over here. So I had ended up just moving the jack over here real quick so I could do this side first. I'm about to try to do that side with the same jack setup, but I'm probably gonna have to, you know what I'm saying, switch that bitch back around. But we're gonna see, I'm gonna let y'all know whatever I do. All right, y'all boys. Got that bitch what's it called, from both sides. This the final result of that bitch. Let's go try to find the hole. I found it. Y'all can see that. This little ass hole caused my shit to be down for fucking 2 weeks. And that was really my fault. I was bullshitting. All right, just like that, we done loaded the new hose up. I put the clamps on the same side. I don't think this shit matter, but I did it just for the fuck of it. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna record. It's really just the opposite of what I just did. This side go over here, this side go over here, that side go over there. So I'm gonna pick y'all up either in the middle of doing that or when I'm done. All right, my niggas. So look, we got the new hose on. We ain't tightened the clamps yet. This one side and this the other side. I don't know, y'all can't see that bitch, but yeah, man. I'm gonna tighten the clamps up and then put some water in here. All right, y'all boys. So y'all see we got some water in here. Still no intake on. We got the hose on and the car is running. It's all good. Hey. Well, let's see the temp. We gotta wait till the car get up to temp. It's at 116, well 118 right now. We gotta let the thermostat do, you know, do this thing, and then yeah. I'm gonna pick y'all up when the next thing happens. All right, y'all, we back, man. We back. Y'all see we got oil. I haven't drove this car in so long, chat. I haven't drove this car in so long. Let me not hit this nigga. D. Okay, hold on. This bitch a little more loud than I remember. Damn, this bitch a little more loud than I remember. All right, y'all, like I said in the last clip, man, y'all see we got the oil. Today we are finna do our first oil change on the oldest 300, man, in America, all right? I ain't gonna lie, I haven't did an oil change in a long time. It's not hard, obviously, you know what I'm saying? It's little shit ain't shit, but it has been a minute, and I don't know when the last time this oil got changed, so I don't know if the oil filter gonna be stuck or not. That's usually the most irritating shit ever. But right now I'm finna get everything I need, which is a jack. I don't got a wrench for the oil filter, so we about to try to unscrew that bitch some kind of way, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, a funnel. I'm finna get them. As a matter of fact, no, this is my first time doing this. Hold on. I snap my fingers. The jack gonna be here with the funnel. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, man, I told y'all, bro. Look, first time doing that shit, and I did it right, nigga. So look, finna jack it up. I hope it's not too low. Shit, nah, that bitch fit just enough, gang. I really meant to check and see how bad was this oil. This dipstick. All right, see what the oil look like. All right, bro, so this what it look like. I mean, it don't really look bad. I really think it got changed maybe like a year or 2 ago. It really don't look that bad, but shit, we gonna change it anyway. All right, bro, I see. We jacking this bitch up like these, bro. One hand, man. Bro, y'all can see my fucking face. Hold on, look. Nigga, it's that workout, nigga. This that workout nigga be talking about. It's that dimension workout, nigga. Look, I'm finna finish jacking this shit up, and then when I jack it up, I'm gonna show y'all, and then next step, I'm finally gonna be taking the oil out, bro. All right, y'all, so now look, we under the car, you see, the first tub. I got 2 of them, another one right here. Grab it. All right, I got my girl holding the camera for me. Looking good and shit, man, but look. Right, tighty, lefty, loosey, right. All right, so we got the ratchet right. Now we finna, bro, I'm so scared. This jack, everything about this shit just old as fuck, bro. We did go to church today, so that's good. We prayed up. What the fucking ant just bit me, nigga? Oh, nigga. I'm telling y'all niggas, bro. Y'all better subscribe. Hey, I really lift weights, you know what I'm saying? I really lift weights. Y'all see I just got this old ass fucking drain plug. All right, I say loosen it with a wrench first. You feel me? Then hit your socket. One time, I changed my oil. So I got the drain plug loose. First of all, the oil was hot as fuck. My finger is hot as fuck right now. And I haven't even, this oil probably hot as fuck too. So I twist the thing. The flow of the oil knocked the drain plug like into the fucking oil. So I had to wait to find the drain plug because it was hot as hell. So I couldn't just dig my hand in there, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to avoid that here. I'm gonna be real, bro. I'm not no bitch, but as soon as that hot ass oil touch my hand, my shit gonna jump back, so.
Okay.
Damn, that shit filling up fast. Oh, man. Damn. Let's see how fucked we are on this oil filter now. I should have been paying more thought to that. We're fucked on that. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so the method I came up with, I'm gonna try to use my hands first. Hopefully this works. I don't wanna get too far under this bitch. Chat, how much oil be inside of the oil filter? Cause if this shit fall on my arm, I'm gonna be mad, bro. I think we got it.
How bad was it?
Feel like a smooth 8. Like an 8. It's cool
That's pretty
though.
bad.
It's alright though. It's a little hot, just a little bit, but you see, we absolutely He-Man the motherfucking oil filter off with my left hand. I'm right-handed. Tell Donald Trump come get me, nigga. We just found oil, bitch. Alright. Oh yeah, this is a MO090 filter too as well. And I did get the Mopar brand. Mopar, no car, nigga. Before I do that, I almost forgot. I know, hey, and I know if I would have forgot this shit, niggas would have been in the comments on my dick so crazy. When you change your oil filter, all right, you always take some of your old oil and then you put it around the seal like that.
Why do you do that?
I think so that just as lubrication, like when you twisting it. I'm pretty sure. And I know niggas gonna be in the comments. This nigga dumb as hell. This nigga don't even know how to. Nigga, fuck you, nigga. Look. Hey, I think you're just supposed to do it like that. I probably look fucking stupid, bro. As tight as I could get it, cause I got oil on my hands. Hey, teach me how to see?
Hey.
Yeah. Now, the next step is to return the drain plug to where it came from. Probably wondering why the fuck y'all put it on another car? Cause I'm known to do shit like that. I learned if it's something important enough, just get that bitch away from me. It's gonna be kind of hard to put this back in for a little bit. I'm gonna have to in the whole type shit, but all I did.
That was quick.
Oh yeah, I'm good at that game. It's important that you tighten them both enough. Now, we got the drain plug on, we got the filter on. Next step, start this bitch up.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
Just flat. You gonna blow your motor like that, don't do that. Funnel, high course of oil. We gonna have Mobile 1 oil, you know what I'm saying? High mileage, because this is the oldest Chrysler 300 in America, you know what I'm saying? All right. Nah, okay, as you can see, there's no oil on here. All the boxes is checked, man. So we put the drain plug back on, oil filter back on. Hopefully them bitches both tight enough, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see, I don't have, you know, a rich nigga funnel. I got a water bottle. Damn, I'm overfilling this shit.
Oh.
Good, nigga? All right. All right, that's 5 quarts. Everything about this car has been weird as fuck. I'm sorry.
The oldest 300 in America, though.
It is the oldest 300 in America. All right, that's the last quart.
7 out of 7.
7 out of 7. The last step is put your fucking oil fill cap on. All right, and then I like to give it a couple minutes typically. I don't know what's up with this car. This bitch might not start after this. Like it just might not. That's how that's the way this car has been. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes, let it get down to the bottom to where I see it on a dipstick, and then we're gonna start the car up and we're gonna go from there. So, I told y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's the oldest fucking Chrysler 300 fucking ever, man. I literally want to pull the dipstick up. That motherfucker got stuck, bro. What do you do about that? I don't know. It's just like, bro. It's just like I just can't make this shit up. I guess I'm gonna have to go on ChatGPT. Alright, this is where I'm at with this shit, okay? As y'all just saw, the dipstick is stuck. Well, as you can see here, go to the top. And alright, the dipstick is stuck inside of the tube right there. So, what I'm gonna do about it is nothing. Looked it up on ChatGPT, and my dad told me, so I know it's true. It just said, worst case scenario, the dipstick gonna fall to the bottom of the oil pan, but it ain't gonna get sucked up. What I'm about to do is put this back on until I get a new dipstick, and then I'm gonna start the car. Let this bitch run, shit. After you change the oil, I think you're supposed to let your car run for like a minute or something. I also finished with this shit like 30 minutes ago, so I think I already did this shit wrong. It's 8:35. We're gonna stop it at 8:36. Breathe, man. Y'all can't lie, the engine sound good. The engine on this car is actually very fucking healthy. I'm not gonna lie, the engine is very healthy. That's one thing I will say about this weak ass car. No oil light or nothing. Let's check our PSI. PSI is at 49 right now. I think that's normal, like after you first started, you know, let it filter through a little bit. I think that's pretty much it for the oil change portion of this video. Oh, I do got a surprise for y'all, probably tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So I do got a surprise for y'all. So y'all, I think y'all gonna like that. And yeah, so actually tomorrow I'm gonna just pick y'all up when we get to the surprise, man. All right, so actually, I think I'm gonna just end the video off right there, man. I do got a surprise coming for y'all, so man, stay tuned. Y'all gotta subscribe for that, though. I ain't gonna lie. My check engine light did just come on, y'all. If y'all can't see it, I don't know what that's about. I don't know, but shit, we gonna figure it out tomorrow. And now I can give y'all some little pulls real quick. Car running good. Running good though. Crack the window a little bit so y'all can. saying? Let's check the temp if y'all can see. Hold on. Temp is at 212. So the car is running good. Like I said, I don't know what that light is. Probably a sensor or something, but I don't know. We're just gonna have to figure it out. But like, comment, subscribe if you new. And I'm out, bruh.